I think so. Our Hawaii village, which is the tail point, is facing n number of shortage of water. Sometimes you don't get water. There is no particular timing also of the water that that the people can wait back home and fill their bucket. And this has been a constant thing happening. And we have lot of senior citizens who are staying in the village. And when there is no water supply, they have to go to the wells, walk into the wells, carry the bucket of water and come back, which is a back-breaking job. And many of them also work at the jetty. So sometimes when they hear, they get messages saying that they have to close their shop and come running back to fill the tank. And by the time they come running back, they hardly get 30 minutes of water into their little tanks that they have. So this is a constant thing. And the worst part about this is few years ago, like I'm talking about 8 to 9 years ago, they used to get 24 hours water supply. They used to get the line from the governor's palace straight into the village. But I don't know who had decided to disconnect the line, and now, poor thing, they are at the tail end. So wherever the pipeline is coming from Mopa, it's coming in. By the time it reaches, the Nagali tank doesn't even get filled up. And I feel sorry for the assistant engineer, ma'am Sarita, who's been very supportive actually, who has been attending my calls even 12:30 in the night when water has not come in, and released water even yesterday for the people, calling me up, Cecille, can I release right now? Will it be okay? And I said, ma'am, go ahead, release. Whoever will get it will get it. That much of the support she's given. But she also has her hands tied because nothing is in place. As much as she's requesting the other people to release water for Nagali tank, they are not releasing it. And due to which, a lot of places like in Posrebat get very low pressure. People in complexes are continuously getting water tankers into their buildings. All the new connections for the new complexes are not been given water connection. So this is why we having complexes and there's no water connection. Are the builders telling the people who are buying the flats that there's not going to be water supply into your apartments and you'll have to be dependent on the tankers? No one is being informed. Everyone is kept in the loop. And then you can see those residents are getting 1 lakh bills, 2 lakh bills because of water tankers every day being used into their society. So it's a sad situation in Taleigao and rapid construction is on. We've requested the Panchayat n number of times to stop this, and please plan out water connection for the people because it's a necessity and it's a human right and they deserve it.